This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use the commenting feature. If I want to choose either book or e-reader, I have several ways that I can choose one or the other and comment. I can highlight it, and I can do a right mouse click and click on the comment button, and then I can type in my comment. I can also highlight and then click up here in my top bar and click the comment button and then click comment. And now I'll have another comment box. And the last way is you can highlight and go to your insert menu and you can click comment and add your comment. You can also reply to other comments by clicking on the comment and adding a reply. And now I can see all the different comments that are on this slide.